Insert the plug into the socket. The heater will beep once, the red indicator will light up, and the display will show the current room temperature. The unit is now in standby mode. Press the power button, the heater beeps once, and the fan starts. Press again to stop the fan. Press the heating button. The heater beeps once and enters Level 1 heating mode. Press again to switch to Level 2 heating mode. Press once more to switch to fan mode. Continue pressing to cycle through the modes. Press the timer button. The heater beeps once, the display blinks, and the timer indicator lights up. Use the increase, decrease buttons to set the timer. Confirm the timer by waiting until the display blinks 3 times, or press OK on the remote control. To cancel the timer, set it to 0. The timer indicator will turn off. The increase, decrease buttons are also used to set the temperature. Adjustable range, 50 Fahrenheit to 95 Fahrenheit. After using the heating function, pressing the power button activates a 30-second cool down. The motor runs to dissipate heat, and the display shows a 30-second countdown. After that, the heater returns to standby, showing the room temperature with dimmed digits. Press the window button to enable window open detection. If the room temperature drops by 41 Fahrenheit or more within 5 minutes, the heater will shut down automatically.